Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the part 2 of the Native American Tales, and this is the craft time. So after listening to the story, you enjoyed the Native American tale, and if you have not watched, please go and watch part 1, the Native American story, how the earth was formed. It is really interesting. Please do watch that. Like it, subscribe and share also. So now it's time for artwork, and we are going to learn how to play with maths. Make it interesting, not boring, and don't be afraid of it. Okay, always be ready to learn something new. As I say, make something out of waste, something that you have at home. And this time what you need just greeting cards, or marriage cards that come, shadi wali cards. Yeah, so these are the cards that I have. Just take those cards, the color you love to, the color you want to. So these are the cards. See, like this. Some birthday cards like this, happy birthday and all. Yes, you just need to have some white space, and you need to have colors, cards of two different colors. We need it. So I have two colors. I had some black paper that I have used and some white papers, white colorful papers that I have cut. So what you have to do, take these cards and any shape, cut it in any shape that you want. Square, hexagon, circle, triangle, any shape. See, something is written here, so stick the card. Okay, you have Fevicol and all, Fevicol, Feviglue, anything. So take the Fevicol, put some glue on and stick it. So you won't have any written portion, both the side would be same. Now once you have done this, okay, I said you can take a triangle shape also. I'll cut a triangle shape. You can make your cards interesting the way you want. Okay, you have to learn with while playing and being more creative, isn't it? I've come up with these things so that you can be creative. So a triangle card and one and another color, as I said. So I'll take white. I have some white portion here left, so I said I use each and every portion of what I have. Triangle. You can decorate your cards, either put stones, you can put stickers, you can color, make something, doodle it. Okay, but don't make a dark color doodle, so that when you write the numbers, it would be seen. Yes. So now I have two types of cards. What you are going to do, on one card you are going to write numbers. Now this game is according to age groups, so kids who are still pre-primary or primary take easy numbers, and students of higher classes, they can take bigger numbers and more complex mathematical signs. Yes, so here we are going to use numbers and different mathematical signs. And what are mathematical signs? Like plus, minus. Plus means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Higher and higher you go, you have different other signs like infinite and sine theta. So I'll take a simple one so that you can understand. Take a card, and there you write a number with sign. Okay, so I'll write 20, and I'll put an addition sign, that is plus, like this. and another white card, another color card. Here I'm just going to write numbers. So here you can take numbers between like 1 to 20 or according to your age group, as I said. So I'll take 5. I'll write 5 on this card. So when I pick the card, it will be like, I'll show you how to play. So it will be like 20 plus 5. So when I am going to add 20 to 5, what will happen? It will give me 25. Yes. So now you can play this game. There is no limit to numbers of people. You can any number of people you can play with. Even with people, even if you have 2, it's okay. Even alone you can play. So here I have few cards in a square shape that I have prepared before. Different cards with different mathematical signs. Like this is multiplication with number. 25 minus, that is subtraction. 31 addition. 30 division. 11 multiplication. 22 addition. 15 subtraction, division. So did you get? Make different cards with numbers, complex or easy numbers with different signs. Okay. Now another set of cards that I made are white color, and these have just numbers, no signs. Like 2, 5, 6. Now what we are going to do, keep these 2 cards separately on the table, turned, okay? Sorry, turned like this. So no one can see the number, okay? Now one has to pick the number. So like he gets a number, he picks up a number 10, multiplication, and you can show it to your friends. So it's 10 and it's a multiplication sign. Now again the same person is going to pick up another card, and it will be like 2 if he or she would have picked 2. So 10 and the sign is multiplication and it's 2. So 10 into 2 is, you have to tell the answer, the same person will tell the answer, 20. So if you are right, wonderful. If you are wrong, still it's okay. Others will tell you the number, what will be the answer. Don't be disheartened, and no one is going to laugh on anyone if you are going to make mistake, because we are playing, we are learning, and everyone is not a quick learner. Everyone has their own potential and they take time to learn many things. There may be kids who in pre-primary only they may learn tables till 20 or 30. There may be people who still struggle until 10th standard. They are not so acquainted with all the tables. Still okay, because everyone has their own skill, their own way to learn, their own interest that they are best in. But these are basic things. We need to know everything. We need to learn. So I brought this. So again, what you are going to do, again the other person can pick other number, and it will be like he got 4. Now which sign do you see? It's division. So he picked up 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. If some may pick 5, so if you find multiplication, division, anything bit difficult, keep a paper and a pen, divide it, and then let them know. And always divide the bigger number with the smaller number. There are rules that you are taught in school. You just have to play with this game. And if you don't know, friends are there to help. Parents are there to help. If you're not able to calculate, keep the number side. Write it somewhere. Take it to your parents. Take it to your teacher. Say we were playing this. And you can learn. They will also be happy. Oh, this is something new that they have come up with. So keep learning, keep playing these beautiful mathematical magical cards. Hope so the game was very easy. And did you see my first part of the story? Go watch it. You will love it. And keep watching my stories and creative artwork, because it's not simply artwork. It's something more than I want to teach you. Something that you can learn. Either it's vocabulary, creativity, maths. This is also a creative way to learn maths, language, develop your brain, your skills. And I think so there is no age to learn. So parents, grandparents can also learn and play with their kids and grandchildren. So for today, this is it. This is from Deepthi Victor from Colorful Story Mind. Like, subscribe and share my channel. Recommend it to others also, so that they can also learn something new. So till then, the Native Americans, come on, say bye-bye to kids. Meet you again. Bye, kids. Love you all. And something more, I hope so you read my story, Enter the World of Magic and Mystery, book 1, that is available on Amazon Kindle. I will again add the link. Do download and read the story. Leave the comments. I'm again thinking to write part 2 of the magical stories, but still till you won't give me the review, how will I move further? That you love, what more you want me to include, what magical things you want me to bring in through my stories. I'm also working on an alphabetical book, so it will not only be for pre-primary, it will be for different age group, one book, but primary, pre-primary, and I think so elders can also learn. There is art, calligraphy, illustrations and everything. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.